Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today is day 5 of 30 days with resin, or 30 days of resin, whichever. So I thought another holiday. We're going to make these cute little hot chocolate like mugs, and I thought this would be really cute. I'm going to decorate it with the acrylics markers, and I'm going to use that, and I'm going to make these into a pair of earrings. You can make them into necklaces if you'd like, and you'll need some 6mm jump rings, and you'll need some fish hook earrings. Let's see if I can pull a couple out. And you'll obviously need a pair of pliers for that. Okay, so let's get started. Move these aside. All right, so first we're going to mix up white mica powder into the resin, because if you look at this carefully, a lot of it's going to be white. You do have a candy cane up here, so candy canes are white and red. This is more or less like a whipped cream, so that will be white. And then it's got little sprinkles, so you can color those in with the markers. And then you have your mug and then a snowflake. So you can color the mug whatever color you'd like, and then leave the snowflake white. Okay. And let me just get a little in here. That should be good. And then I need, let's see, a baby wipe to wipe off that end so I don't get mica powder all over me. And if you're wondering what type of baby wipes I use Huggies. They're a little thicker. I've used thinner ones, but I'm not happy with those. And I'll just mix this up. Oops, some of it fell out. That's okay. I think we'll need a little bit more. Maybe if the mica powder that fell out, if it didn't fall out, maybe it would have been enough. But that's okay. Accidents happen sometimes. Okay, and then we'll just fill these up. And then just let it flow to where it needs to go. And then if it does not go there, you can add a little more. And then just help it along. Now I need some more up here. And then make sure that it goes to this area where the hole will be for your jump ring. And then also get enough into where the candy cane is. Okay, this looks good. Maybe a little more in the candy cane on this side. All right, and then we're going to cure this for 180 seconds and turn it over and cure the other side for 180 seconds. All right, so it's done curing and we can remove it from the mold. Looks really cute. I don't know if you can see that. So now we have to color it in. So let's see, we need, trying to find my colors here. All right, so let's make the mug a light blue. And we need sprinkles, so we'll do different colors for the sprinkles. There. And we do need red. And I know I put my red somewhere else, so I have to find it because I was using it for another project. Uh-oh. Not quite sure where the red went. That's weird. Okay, so I have to find a red. Why do I not have a red in here? Okay. So we need a red for the candy cane. Oh, there we go. Okay. Here's a red. It's Artex markers, but it's just a different box and they're the brush type. So let's see. Let's start with the mug. Just gonna be very careful doing this. And then I'll do a top coat of the clear resin over this to protect it. And what's nice about this is you have the color in the front, but the back you also have, you know, the white, and that makes it look nice too. Okay, I'll do this one. Oops. I made just a little goof up there, so I'll just fix that. It's kind of hard to see when I'm doing this on video, and I can't get up really close to it to make sure that I get every little spot. There we go. If you hear any noises in the background, it's my son. He's playing a video game. So, oh boy. Okay, so let's get those sprinkles. Just do them randomly with different colors. And that was my cockatoo. Got everybody making noises today. Never a dull moment here. Okay, so now we got all the sprinkles colored in. The purple ones were a little light, so I'm trying to see if I have maybe a darker color. I have a darker, like a blue, that we could use maybe, because you could barely see the purple. Okay, and now for the red. Oops, I don't want to do that. Maybe we can do that. Because there's white in the center. Okay, there we go. That looks cute. Okay, so that took care of that. Get rid of these, get those out of my way. And now we can do a top coat on there. Move this aside. Let me see a bubble in there. And then use your mixing utensil to spread it around. Okay, I need a little more here. Spread that around. I should have put these on a glass tile with some sticky tack so they didn't move around, but that's all right. And then make sure you get it to the edges. see a few spots that I'm missing. So just checking it again just to make sure I get it to those edges. Oops. And sometimes it's just telling you, you know, there's not enough resin to go all the way to the edges, so just add a little bit. It's not going to hurt. As long as you don't have it flow over the edge, you're good. If it's just going to the edge, that's what you want. Okay, get my lighter, make sure I get all those pesky little bubbles out of there. All right, and then we're going to cure this for 90 seconds. All right, so they're all cured. Look how cute they look. I really love them. All right, so now we got to put them together. So you get your fish hook earrings and oops, a couple of the 6mm jump rings. Get your handy dandy pliers ready. And then you open them, you open your jump ring to the side. Never pull it apart, because if you do, you'll lose the round shape. Place your little cup on there and your fish hook earring, and then close it up. And make sure those two ends meet so you don't lose your earring. Okay. Now I think these are extremely adorable. These would make a great gift for somebody for the holidays. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Now, this is the end of day 5 of 30 Days of Resin. So, there'll be another video tomorrow. I'm sure you can't wait to see what that is. So yeah, so this turned out great, and the supplies are in the description box below, and you'll also find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. So thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.